In this video, I'll show you how to give client access in Facebook Business Manager step by step. This lets your client manage business assets without sharing your personal Facebook login. First, open your web browser and sign in to Meta Business Suite with the account that manages your business. Next, click Settings, then open Business Settings. In the left menu, click Users, then select Partners. Now, click Add and choose Give a partner access to your assets. Enter your client's Business Manager ID, then click Next. After that, select the assets you want to share, such as your Facebook page, ad account, Instagram account, pixel, or catalog. Choose the permissions you want your client to have for each asset, then review everything carefully. Click Save Changes or Assign to complete the process. Your client will receive access to the selected assets and can start managing them from their own Business Manager account. You can return to the Partners section anytime to update or remove their access. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.